talking about the chief of cafe, Mr. Bongeni Mtungwa. He's been in the game for about 10 years now.
Yeah.
The guy is known for his best work, best efforts, and best crazy creativity, which he has put it in the coffee industry. So it's a well-known guy. Everyone knows Bongs. Around Braamfontein, come and ask Bongs. You'll hear the experience that people are warming about Bongeni Mtungwa. Thanks, man. The other probably should expect one thing. They are going to be introduced into the world's biggest market of cafe. That's what I can tell you. I promise you that.
Wonderful.
Let me just be like this. As much as we have all experience, as much as we have clue what's happening in the coffee industry, but I will bring something different, like I will educate people with coffee. I will also, bring that love, like showing them how we do things like from scratch and turning water into wine. Yeah, I don't want to lie, I'm telling you.
They should expect something more.
Something more coming, bye-bye.
Yeah, these guys got it from Bongs, so